And another reason why I like a van, it's amazing what you can put in these things. Right here is a 2x8-inch, 16-foot long board. 16-foot long board going back to the rear doors. And all the way up here, almost to the front. And so with the payload of over 3,000 pounds and even over 4,000 pounds for most vans, you can actually not just carry all this payload, but you can put it inside, and even items as long as 18 feet in a standard 170-inch wheelbase van. Pretty awesome.
Bike rack slash tray slash bike garage carry refrigerators or other palletized stuff. Yes. Look at that. Huh? Right over the one-up van trays and into the van. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself because when I designed this, the intent was to be able to put refrigerators back here, washers and dryers, things like that, that'll move them, put the bike up, and the bed up, and have the support here, this whole bike garage tray, which is designed to support 500 pounds, or the slides are rated to 500 pounds, all the way out 5 feet, and yes, it can hold this in there just fine. So, pretty cool. I'm stoked. Got another one coming in with not just one palletized refrigerator, but two palletized refrigerators. Two. More on that in a bit. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah.